Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD has had a very, very strong month. I'm still definitely not ruling out the possibility that it is an AB of waves, an ABC of wave B, and then eventually it's going to do this. But like I said, it's been a very, very strong month for the dollar pairs. And honestly, if it just keeps on going up, which it definitely could, that's not really going to be an issue for me because I'll just be going with the flow anyways. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, on the weekly time frame, I still think there's a possibility it's going to go down. I still think this looks like 5 waves down for A. I still think it looks like 3 waves up for B, and I still think it possibly is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C to come. But like I said, it's been a very, very strong month for the dollar pairs, and if it continues to be a strong month, then okay, whatever. We'll just continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is why I still expect it possibly to go down, is because this is very impulsive. It looks like a wave 1. This looks to me like 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then 5 waves up. And it also went to a little bit past the 178, but definitely kind of looks like it could be a possible expanding flat wave too. Now, the only thing that's really going to prove this to me is if it goes down and breaks structure. If it does go down and break structure, then I think it will prove to me that it really is the end of a wave 2 and the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 3. If it does not go down and break structure, but instead goes down and makes like a 3 way pullback and then a higher low, then we honestly should just continue to look for logs. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, technically the trend is up even on this time frame. I do think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5. So it definitely looks like it could possibly has completed this 5 wave pattern for the wave C. We are at the 78% level also, which is where you would expect, a wave C to possibly end. But even though we do see all that, I mean, there's honestly no reason to say this moved out is not a question to this last 5 waves up, and it just keeps on trending up. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, keeping all that information in mind. Yes, it is going down right now, but this is definitely a 5 wave uptrend over here, as you can see. So, like I said, this move down that we're currently seeing possibly could be a crescent to the last 5 waves up. This could easily make a 3 way pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement level, make a nice ABC, make a nice Fibonacci bounce, and just keep on trending up. So definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci levels. It would be nice if it turned into a 1, 2, and then it just went down and made a 3 and never gave us that break of structure at a Fibonacci level. That way we could get this break of structure on the higher time phase, proving that this really is the end of a wave 2. But we don't need to expect that. We actually have to assume that every move down is more likely an ABC to the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.